Want to know how to fix your login error in your Hago app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll be teaching you 3 of the ways to overcome the particular problem. Let's get started. The very first one is to go into your Play Store, and then you can tap on the search for apps and games and insert this particular app name, and then tap on this particular app again. You can see that you'll get an option of update if your app has not been updated yet. The very first reason that you're facing the login error could be because your app is not updated. So simply, if you get an option of update next to uninstall or open, you can simply tap on update and get it all updated. So this was the very first one. The second one is to go to the settings of your own phone, tap on the settings, scroll down, tap on this apps option. Now tap on manage apps below system app settings, and then tap on the search bar and insert this Hago app itself. Tap on this particular app. On the bottom, you have 3 of the options, that is force stop, uninstall, and clear data. Tap on clear data. Now tap on clear cache below clear all data. Tap on OK next to cancel. When you've just done it, you have cleared all of the unrequired chunks from your Hago app itself, which could be the reason because you are facing any of the login problem. The second one is this. And the very third one is to get into the setting app itself and get it uninstalled, or just tap on this particular app and then get it uninstalled by tapping on uninstall, and then go to your Google Store again and then reinstall it back. Alright, so this was the third way for you. So I have just mentioned all of the 3 options to overcome your login error in your Hago app. I hope it works, so go back and use all of the 3 ways to overcome it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.